In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the coverage for your template and compare it to other templates. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have a location selected. I'm going to leave mine on after hours, then click Templates. Once you arrive at your list of templates, select the template for which you would like to view your coverage. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Shifts. You should now arrive at a page with a chart showing the information for all of the shifts in your template. To view the coverage for this template, go to the top of that chart and click on Coverage. You should now arrive at a page that looks like this. This is your coverage for this template. At a glance, you should be able to see what hours of the day you are covered. If you are a hospital or something along those lines, you probably want each of these slots to be green from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. This happens to be a restaurant, so it only needs coverage during the day. If you want to view your coverage by every half hour instead of every hour, go to the top of your chart and click the interval arrow. Then choose 30. Now your coverage is divided into 30-minute sections. I think it's easier to look at the 60-minute ones, so I'm going to change it back. You can also choose to view your coverage with or without breaks. Right now, I'm not seeing any breaks. If I wanted to change that, I would go up and click on the arrow next to breaks and choose Include from this menu. Now my breaks are included in the coverage that I'm seeing. Another way you can adjust the view of your coverage is you can change it from days to dates. In the left-hand column, you'll see your template is broken down by day of the week. All of the Monday stations and their shifts are grouped together, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, and so on. If you have shifts that go over midnight, you can change this view from days to dates, and it'll put an artificial date assignment to each of these days, which will allow you to accommodate those shifts that go past midnight. To do that, go to the top of your chart and click on the arrow next to Tally. Then select Dates. And now your coverage has been adjusted to better accommodate those over midnight shifts. The other thing you can do with your coverage is you can compare this template to a different one. To do that, go to the arrow next to Versus. And from the drop-down menu, select the template you would like to compare this current template to. I'm going to choose Monday Night Football. Most of my chart has remained green, but one section towards the top did turn red. That's letting me know that I have less coverage on this template than I do on the other template, and I might need to change that if these need to match. If I wanted to change this to compare two different templates, all I would have to do is go back up to Versus and select a different template. The other thing I can do is I could choose to change the base template that I'm viewing. Right now I'm viewing waitstaff. If I want to change it to a different one, I can go up to the very top of this chart and click on the little menu symbol. And now I can choose to view the coverage for a different template. Let's say the bus cashier one. This is what the information for that template looks like, and I could do all of the same adjustments to view this the way I want to. And that's how you can view the coverage for one of your templates. To learn more about your TeamWork 5 account, check out the next video.